Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by quantifying what a finance channel can earn. Start with RPM because it reflects real payout after network cuts. Once done, pull 30 days of views and watch time from analytics and note your niche. Personal finance often gets higher RPM than investing news. Make sure to set up AdSense and link analytics. Then calculate baseline revenue. Divide monthly views by 1,000 and multiply by your conservative RPM estimate. This gives you a practical, actionable income projection to iterate from. You now scale income by adding predictable revenue streams and improving video economics. First, diversify. Place affiliate links, pitch sponsors, enable memberships, and build a small product or course. Once done, focus on watch time and retention. Longer videos, 6 to 12 minutes, unlock mid-roll ads and lift RPM. Make sure to /B test thumbnails and titles and tag content for discoverability. Track revenue per source weekly so you can double down on the highest ROI tactics rather than guessing. You finish by systematizing growth and protecting income. Reinvest a portion of profits, 20 to 30%, into better editing, paid ads, and guest experts to raise view velocity and RPM. Then set up bookkeeping and separate bank accounts. Estimate taxes quarterly and collect Form 1099s from sponsors. If earnings are below expectations, check common issues, audience geography, limited ad formats, or sensitive content labels that reduce ad serving. Adjust targeting, format, or content to recover RPM quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.